All right, Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back once again with a very interesting lesson from this very beautiful place. As you can see, after a long time I'm being here. Actually, please take my heartiest felicitation and this beautiful afternoon. And as in this today's lesson, I'm gonna share with you a very interesting thing. Actually, those who are eagerly waiting to learn English, actually those who want to know how to practice your spoken English, you can learn from this lesson. Yeah, so as you can see, there are so many plants are available behind me, right? So this is our subject. So these trees will help us to improve our spoken English. So trees give us oxygen and take carbon dioxide from the air, and apart from this, trees give us fruit, food, shelter, and timbers. So by timbers we can make different kinds of furniture like chair, table, almirah, door, showcase, different kinds of things we can make by this wood, right? And apart from this, if we want to lead a happy and healthy life, there is no alternative way to live a single moment without trees, right? That's why we have to plant more and more trees instead of cutting down trees at random. Yeah, so if we want to take a fresh breath, so then we need our trees, right? Without trees we cannot live a single moment. So that's why I will suggest to you all, please don't cut down trees without any reason. Rather, we should try to plant more trees and more trees if we want to get, or if we want to lead a happy and healthy life. So this is the thing, just only one thing: trees. By these trees we can try to practice our spoken English. So in this way you can practice your spoken English. Whatever you can say in your surrounding, you will try to use what kind of things you see, try to use in your spoken English, try to explain about the topics, try to explain about that subject. So in this way, inshallah, you can improve your spoken English. You can also improve your vocabulary. So this is the thing that I want to share with you. Allah Hafiz.